Welcome to day 2 of the Nottingham Music Hub stage at the Nottstopping Festival. My name's Claire, and what an amazing day it was yesterday, with phenomenal performances from the Robin Hood Youth Orchestra, Band Factory members, Noise from the Next Generation, Sing City, Young Creative Awards winners as well. We saw footage from UFO, Music, CRS, Send, Cathedral Music, the Scratcher UK Civil War, the Pete Box, Liam Bailey, Rob Green, Alfie Sharp, Nina Smith, plus many of our amazing children from our city schools. You've just seen a lockdown performance of Tequila filmed inside schools over the past couple of weeks and featuring the children of key workers, school teachers and staff from the Nottingham Music Service. We have another day of incredible music for you, so thank you for joining us. Here is the second lockdown set from Band Factory's Mathew Baggaley.
Hi everyone, I'm Mathew Baggaely. This is my second set. I'm going to be doing a couple of originals. This first one uses the loop pedal, which you can't see, it's on the floor here, but it's called Until I Know, and I hope you enjoy it. I'm wondering what age wisdom comes along, if anybody has it here. Would you lend me some? I promise I'll use it well. And I just wanna live my life to the full. And I can't let myself do that until I know what's going on. To be frank, I don't know what's gonna happen in my life. People say don't worry about it, you're only young, it's fine, you'll turn out alright. But I just wanna live my life to the full. And I can't let myself do that until I know what's going on. But I don't know what's going on. And I just wanna live my life to the full. And I can't let know what's going on, but I don't know what's going on. Thank you. So I've got one more original that I'm going to play in a minute, but first I've just been asked to talk about Nottingham Music Hub and its importance to me. So more specifically the Music Hub, I've been part of Band Factory for about 3.5 years, and the first thing that comes to my head in terms of what I've really gained from it is gigs. I've had really cool opportunities like playing at Rough Trade and Nottingham Albert Hall quite a few times, and just generally cool stuff like Light Night, etc. And then similar to that, kind of other opportunities, so I got to go down to Northampton for like a Beatles themed type concert to play in, which was cool, and I've kind of been referred on to competitions, which through them I've played in the Rock City Basement, the Maze a few times before it closed, and yeah, some cool places. And then I got to go to the Young Creative Awards as well, and actually won the 13 to 15-year-old category a few years back. And through that I've gained quite a lot of confidence. Don't get me wrong, I still get nervous when I'm gigging or whatever, but it's and that's natural, but I definitely have some level of confidence from it as well. And they've encouraged me to try new and original things when gigging, like using the loop pedal as you just saw, etc. And then the last thing I wanted to say was the leaders there are really supportive and are there to help when you need it. But equally, what has really helped me is that they kind of leave you to figure things out when that's appropriate as well, and that's really helped me develop my own musicianship personally. But anyway, I was going to play one last song. This is an original. It's my latest one, and this is called It's About Time. Hope you enjoy it. Times are changing for me. I found what's important in life. I've learned how to be free. Say what you want, 'cause I'm not listening. Say what you want about me. Your words are like a drop of water in the deep, deep sea. And it's okay, 'cause I mean I don't have to be you. If the whole body were an eye, then what could the body do? So when you think about it, we all have our own part to play, and my part to play. That's what I bring to the table. I'm pretty introverted, so you won't get much from me in a conversation. And if you want popularity, I'll give you some advice. Don't come to me, but I'll give you what I've got, which to some people might not be too much. But what I've got is from a better one, which is why I will say that it's okay, 'cause I mean I don't have to be you. If the whole body were an eye, then what could the body do? So when you think about it, we'll have our own part to play, and my part to play. That's what I bring to the table. You spend a year trying to bring me down, but what do you got from that now? Not much is what I'd have to say, 'cause now I see things differently. You spend a year trying to bring me down, but what do you got from that now? Not much is what I'd have to say, 'cause now I see things differently. So kings like me, and I don't have to be you. The whole body were an item, what could the body do? So when you think about it, we all have our own parts to play, and my parts to play. That's what I bring to the table. That's what I bring to the table. If you can't take that big, 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 move on, my friend. Maybe it's about time. If you can't take that big, 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 move on, my friend. Trust me, it's fine. If you can't take that me, big me, move on, my friend. Maybe it's about time. If you can't take that me, big me, move on, my friend. Trust me, it's fine. Thank you for listening. I hope you enjoyed it. As I said, I'm Mathew Baggaley. You can find me on most social medias, Twitter and Facebook, and then mostly Instagram and YouTube. Thanks for listening.
Someday you will die.
Band Factory is for solo artists and bands. It's the perfect opportunity to get together with other people and play the kind of music you love.